Hey guys, Miss.Roopa here, and I have my daughter Rosalind, and she's going to be helping me with today's experiment. Today's experiment is a pretty easy one, and it is called Candy Rainbow. And all you need is a plate. You either need to have Skittles or M&Ms. Those are your kind of choices for this experiment, but you can have either one. And you also need warm water, okay? So, to jump into the experiment, it's very simple. You are going to arrange your candy on the plate in a circle. This is also a good time to practice making patterns. You can choose which colors you want. If you want to go in a certain order, you don't have to. So, once you have your candy arranged on your plate, in this case, I have red, yellow, purple, green. That's my pattern around the plate. You are going to slowly pour your warm water into the center of your plate. So I'm going to go ahead and do that here. Okay, and now we need to wait and observe what happens. And I can already see part of the experiment beginning. So what you can see, guys, is that the warm water is causing the sugar and the dye in the candies to dissolve. And that is causing the colors to be extracted from the candy and brought to the center of your circle. So look how cool that looks. Rosie's very excited about it. Once it kind of reaches the center, it's going to form a little color wheel. And what's cool is that if you were to use M&Ms, you would have a wider range of colors, and you could even practice color mixing with the colors that you have. In this case, I only have those 4 colors in one pack, so that's what I had to use. But you can still see that the experiment works very easily. Rosie, look! Ooh! So you can see the colors. So that is our candy rainbow experiment for today. Very quick, very easy, can be very yummy. All right, guys, try it at home if you can, and I look forward to seeing your results.